Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show how to import contacts from Gmail to laptop. Right click on taskbar, open taskbar settings, turn on people. Now the people icon is visible on my taskbar. Open it, click on this, launch people app. Then click on import contacts. Now click on Google. Needs to be sign in Google. Click on allow. Give an account name. Done. Now we can see our contact list here. We can share, delete and pin this contact from here. Next time if we want to check our contact list, just need to be click on this people icon, then click on find contact. All the contacts are listed here. This is how we can import contact from Gmail to laptop. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.